Okay, this went pretty quick. Let's export it and see how it looks inside of a slicer. Right click, export. I'm going to call it Batman. OBJ is what we want. Yours might default to, I don't know, STL or something else, or 3MF. Select OBJ. Why? Well, because in the slicer program, we want the colors to show up, so we do need to use OBJ. Click export. Wait a minute. It's going to put it into my downloads folder, I believe. Might take it a minute. There it goes. Batman.zip. I'll right click and go extract all. Yep, sounds good. I'm on a Windows machine, obviously. Double click this, and that's going to open it up inside of Bambu Studio. So this is where we're going to slice it. We can assign colors here. I'm just going to take the colors and I mean, we could always change this later. Yeah, it wants it to be in millimeters. That's fine. And I'm just going to scale this thing. Hit the S button, okay? Or you can click that window there. It looks like it's going to be 10 centimeters. I'm just going to scale it down to 9. 9's enough. How about 90? That's better. Hit enter or click away. And we're ready to slice. Wow, it's exciting. To slice this thing, once we've got the dimensions, we simply click Slice Plate. And what's it going to take? Let's see. 13 filament change is kind of high. That's okay. It's going to take 48 minutes to create, to 3D print it, using a 0.4 nozzle and 0.2 standard layer height. So this all looks pretty good to me. If we want to actually print it, we would have to put the card into the USB slot on our computer. We click up here. We go Export Plate Sliced File. Okay, we've selected that from the menu, but we haven't actually exported it. Then we click here. We would go down along the computer here to find our external drive. Let's just say it's, well, whatever drive it is. I'll just pick D drive, and I'll go to temp folder. Okay, and I'm going to call this Batman. Save. And if you put this on an external drive, you would have a little eject button here. You'd click the eject button. You'd take the folder or the SD card, you'd put it in the machine, 3D printer, and away you go. Okay, that's it. Over and out.